Welcome back. I'm Rachel. You're watching Kalkine TV live from Sydney. This is the Market Movers Show, where we take you through the trending ASX-listed stocks that are on the gainers trajectory every day. But before I share the updates on top gainers of the day, let's have a look at the market updates. The benchmark equity index ASX 200 is set for the worst day since the 26th of February, pulled down by miners and banks, snapping a three-day winning streak. The overnight weakness in the US stocks also added to the sharp decline. By midday, the market was down by 124.90 points, or 1.77% to 6,941.10. The top laggards of the day were EML Payments, Perenti Global, St Barbara, AGL Energy and Whitehaven Coal. Miners fell as much as 2%, even as Chinese iron ore futures rose overnight. The heavyweight financial sector neared its worst session in a week. Energy stocks were the biggest losers on the benchmark index, snapping a four-session rally. That's as oil prices dropped overnight. Woodside Petroleum fell 1.6%, while Santos lost as much as 2.9%. Gold stocks also saw losses, with sector heavyweight Newcrest Mining on track to record its worst day in almost 3 weeks. Having said that, despite the weakness, there were a few gainers on the ASX 200 today. Out of the top 5 gainers, 3 are from the technology space. Let's look at these top gainers of the day. Tech stock Appen surged almost 15% to the intraday high of $12.92. The stock gained after the company announced earlier today that it would restructure its operations, cut jobs and report in US dollars instead of Australian. The company also said that its year-to-date revenue plus orders in hand for delivery in financial year 2021 was almost $260 million US dollars at the end of April 2021. Underlying EBITDA for the year ending 31st of December this year was expected to be 83 to 90 million US dollars. Appen shares were trading at $12.73. That's up 13.26%. Moving on to the next gainer today, the tech stock Nuix soared just over 7% to $3.76. The intelligence software company's stock has advanced steadily after its Investor Day presentation. Investors have lapped up the shares after CEO Rod Vaudrey addressed issues and cleared doubts during the presentation. Vaudrey's remarks on taking full responsibility for the performance of the business have been well received by the market. Nuix stock was trading at $3.67. That's up 4.86%. Moving on to the next stock now, the industrial stock Reece surged over 2% to $21.50. There was no major update by the company today. The stock may have soared after industrial metals gained, with copper rising to a record high on supply side issues. The company has businesses focused on the plumbing, bathroom, building, civil irrigation, heating, air conditioning and refrigeration industries. Reece stock was trading at $21.28. That's up 1.38%. Moving on now to tech stock Altium rose 1.5% to $24.68. The stock of the electronic design software provider may have surged due to industry tailwinds underpinning growth in the electronic devices market globally. Even as the shares of the company are down over 35% from its 52-week high, they offer good bet to long-term investors. Altium stock was trading at $24.67, up 1.48%. And finally, here is a dividend stock that is gaining today. The consumer stock United Malt Group rose almost 3% to the day's high of $4.55. The company reported a fall in profit and revenue for the half year ending 31st of March 2021 due to the challenges posed by COVID-19. The net profit after tax was down at 54% on the prior corresponding period to $13.2 million, while the revenue fell by 11% to $590 million. Despite this, the shares were up because the company says that the financial results were still higher than the earnings guidance released at its AGM. United Malt Group stock was trading at $4.53. That's up 2.49%. Keep watching Kalkine TV as we bring you the latest news and trending market updates live from Sydney. I'm Rachel, signing off for now.